Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have my July favourites. I literally can't believe it is August. What the hell is going on, you guys? I feel like this year has just blinked and I've missed it. But I am so excited to be sharing my July favourites. I don't think I did a June favourites, maybe not a May, I can't remember. But if I did, I'll be sure to link my previous favourites on the screen for you. I love filming these videos because I feel like it kind of makes me remember, like, oh yeah, I tried that, it was amazing. Oh yeah, I tried this, it was amazing. Kind of makes me like recognise all the really good new things that I'm getting to try out. Please excuse me if I'm looking a bit hot and sweaty. It's been very hot here in LA, and yeah, our air conditioning has been on overdrive, so we've got it off right now to let it cool or uncool, if that makes sense. And hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another favourites for you all. I can't believe July is over. This year is going so crazy fast. I wish I could just be like, I'm just gonna like slow it down just a little bit. But I love filming favourites videos because it kind of gives me a chance to like sit back and go, oh yeah, there were so many new things that I like got to try out or like enjoyed this month that I didn't know about before, which is awesome. And I know you guys really enjoy them, so I'm excited to share some very cool things. A lot of them new actually. Not everything is new, but most of it is. And I wanted to kick off with a kind of new jewellery situation that I've got going on. I was recently sent some very nice things from Claire's and Icing, so thank you so much, you guys. And I wanted to first off share with you these little bits. So I've been non-stop living for these hoops. They're just quite kind of medium size, I would say, silver hoop. They're so lightweight. I've absolutely been loving wearing them. Okay, so these are the hoops. They are really nice kind of size. Sorry, I'm looking in the viewfinder out there. But they're a really nice size. They're super lightweight. I feel like I forget I have them on when they're on, which is like ideal with earrings for me because I don't want to be fussing. Sorry, I had a cuff in before which was pinching my ear a little bit, so I just took that off. And I've just been loving wearing them. And then for necklaces, I've been living in this tiny little necklace, also from Claire's, and it just has these little pearls on it, like faux obviously. But I love this because it's like a nice, pretty delicate something that could just have on all the time, and it's really easy. So I've been absolutely loving this little combo. This is gold and this is silver, but as you can tell, like I have a gold bracelet, a silvery ring, or my hair tie, which I'm gonna take off. So you can tell like I like to mix metals. I'm not like a silver or gold type of girl. So yeah, I've been loving them. So I usually would start with beauty, but I'm gonna go straight into some fashion favourites because I've been loving some things. So first up, these shoes from Miss Selfridge. You guys, I can't get enough of these. You'll have seen them in a recent haul of mine, and I've just been wearing them non-stop. I don't know if I've posted any pictures in my Instagram, but if I have, I'll be sure to link them down below because they just go with so many outfits. They're just easy to throw on, they're comfy, they're cute, they just look great with so many outfits. I love this kind of style of mule, and I just love the little stacked heel on them. So they're not too high, but they feel really practical to run around in. So yeah, been absolutely adoring wearing these. So staying with my fashion favourites, I have been living in two new pairs of sunglasses. The first are these guys. They are massive, but I love them because I feel like I haven't had a big pair of sunglasses in so long. They're from Icing, and I just love the kind of line and the shape. I think they're a fake, I think they're a copy of a designer pair, which I'm not 100% sure what the designer pair is, but if I can find them, I'll link them down below. But yeah, I've been absolutely loving these. I love the kind of cuter black. They look really chic when they're on. And then also these sunglasses, which you'll have seen a ton on my Instagram because I've been living in these little round guys. These are really similar to the Ray-Bans, which I actually lost a pair identical to this when I was skiing, which was really stupid. So I was really happy to have these because they kind of filled that gap for me. And it's nice because these I've kind of been wearing with sort of more this type, I don't know, These are gold and these are silver, so they kind of like fit different looks for me, and I've been wearing them a ton. Okay, so let's move into a few beauty favorites, and skincare for me in the summer is just like goes to the next level. I really am into my skincare in the winter, and I'm really into my skincare in the summer, and then kind of the in-between, I kind of just like, I don't know, I kind of float through using the same products, but it really switches up for me in those seasons. So first off, a product that I never don't use, but I really feel like I should give a mention to. This is my Liz Earle Instant Boost Skin Tonic, and I'm running low on this, so I need to be sure to order a few more. This stuff is amazing. It is one of those products that I really notice if I don't use, my skin just goes to crap. It like really balances out my skin, it soothes it, it makes it feel so much better. I have really sensitive skin, as I've mentioned many times before, and this is just like a dream product. Natural active ingredients: aloe vera, calendula, cucumber, rose scented geranium, natural source of vitamin C, revitalizes, soothes and tones for radiant skin, and I can vouch for that. I absolutely love this product. I couldn't live without it. I've literally used this since I was like first cleansing, toning, moisturizing when I was like 8. I used to use the cleanse and polish, this and the moisturizer. I find both the moisturizers don't really work for my skin type anymore, and then the cleanse and polish is a little bit rich for me here, so I use an oil cleanser, but this product has just never left my side, and I couldn't be more obsessed with it. It's amazing. And then moving on to kind of a body favourite. I think I've talked about this before, and as you can see, or maybe you can't see, but the whole logo is completely rubbed off. This is the Tarte Clean Green Vegan Vegan deodorant, and it's hypoallergenic, formulated with no aluminium, and it is amazing. I love this. I find some natural deodorants just don't do anything, whereas this really works, really keeps me feeling like fresh and clean and unsmelling, if that is a word, as a phrase, but it also doesn't have any like bad things in it. Smells really nice, has just like a clean smell. It doesn't really have a kind of a linen smell, if you will. Like, it doesn't really have any sort of aggressive scent. I just really like it, works really well, keeps me feeling really clean and fresh, and in this hot LA summer weather, it's been amazing. Then again, talking of the sun, so SPF, I think I might have mentioned this in my last favourites, but I'm gonna mention it again because SPF is so important. This is a Supergoop Play SPF 50 Everyday Sunscreen with natural oat extract, and I've been using this on my face and on my chest. I use this every single day. Like, I cleanse, tone, moisturize this, then I'll wait like a little bit of time before I put my makeup on, just because I want it to really settle into my skin and make sure it's on. Feels amazing. I was gonna try out, I think Supergoop do a like primer basically, which I wanted to give a try to. But when I was in the store, when I was at Sephora, the girl really recommended this to me, so I picked it up and I've been loving it. It's great, you can use it under makeup, without makeup. Absolutely adore this product. Then something I don't think I've talked about before on my channel or in general is kind of any anti-aging products I use. I'm almost 30 and I really take care of my skin. Much to my boyfriend's dismay, I'm always like doing some sort of treatment in the bathroom, or like cleansing and moisturizing and oiling my skin. But I have found a product, and this is a little travel size of it because I ran out of a big one. I stupidly threw it away without showing you guys, but I had this one, so I wanted to talk about it. This is the Ole Henriksen Transformation Night, sorry, Ole Henriksen Transformation Invigorating Night Transformation Gel. This is a gel that you use kind of, I use it in the place of my serum at night. So I will cleanse, tone this, then moisturize, and I'll talk about my moisturizer in a minute. But I wanted to read you what this contains, which is the key ingredients. So it's an AHA, so what's really important when using a product like this is you have to wear sunscreen, because it really exposes your skin and it really peels back the layers so your skin's really exposed to the sun. So if you're using a product like this, very important to either stay out the sun entirely, which is kind of impossible because we get UVA and UVB rays from our computers. And also it's very important to wear sunscreen. What you'll notice with something like this is you'll literally feel like bits of your skin are like peeling in a good way. I know that sounds kind of gross, but it's amazing. It's just a acid exfoliant treatment to use overnight. And honestly, if I'm getting like a pimple or I'm looking a bit tired and like the lines are starting to show a bit more on my skin, I use this. I probably use this 2 to 3 times a week max, and it's an amazing product. Like, I can't rave about this enough. I've noticed so much difference in my skin since using this, and I wouldn't usually have lent towards an acid. The reason why I have this one in a spare is because I was traveling and I used the vitamin C serum, and they did a mini, and I was like, oh perfect, I'm just gonna buy it. Oh, they have a set of 3 different things. They have their moisturizer, which I know I like anyway, and this, and I thought, oh, I'll just try it out because it's basically kind of free in the set, if that makes sense. So I tried this out and I ended up buying the full-size product because it's so amazing. I honestly can't rave about this enough. It's such a brilliant product that I've really noticed a difference with, so I wanted to talk about that one. And then my final kind of beauty favourite, I do have a nail favourite, which I'm going to talk about in a minute, but my final beauty favourite has been a new moisturiser that I found, which you guys, I'm obsessed with. I've been looking for a super hydrating moisturiser, and I kind of thought I was allergic to some Clinique products, and then I found this. This is the Clinique Moisture Surge 72 hour Auto Replenish Hydrator. Now this product is like a gel. It's not like a gel, it is a gel. And it's kind of like a kind of creamy gel. It feels incredible on the skin. What I like to do with this at night is I put a really thick layer on, so like I really use it almost like a mask. Really sinks into the skin, feels absolutely incredible. This is really similar to a product that the Estee Edit used to do, which was an overnight jelly kind of mask that had rose in it. It was really similar to this, and I absolutely loved it. They stopped making it, so I'm so stoked to have this. I've been using this morning and night. I've really, again, noticed a difference in my skin. My skin just feels like more plump, more juicy, essentially, and yeah, really well taken care of, because I've been noticing, obviously, in the sun here, it feels really dry and congested, so like I'm using all these products to kind of decongest my skin from the heat, and then I want something to really pump all the moisture back in, and this has really been doing that. So I have a couple more products to mention. So next up I have these polishes. I've talked about Sally Hansen Miracle Gels before. I'm absolutely a huge fan of this product. I think they're amazing. I have the colour on my hands now. I picked up, this is the Creme de la Creme colour, and I've really been enjoying wearing it. It's a pinky white colour, so everyone's like, oh, is that white? But it's actually not. It's got like a tinge of pink to it, so it doesn't have that kind of stark white look. I'm not really into white nails as such, but I'm really into that kind of like clean looking nail, so this has been amazing. And then obviously you need the step 2, the kind of like top coat that kind of really holds it in. I painted my nails like 2 days ago, and they're not looking too bad. They are a little chipped around the edges, but I don't think it's too bad. I find this stays on really well. Then to kind of coincide with the nails, this is something that I've been trying. This is the Hum Killer Nails. Supports longer supports stronger hair and nails. So I have struggled with my nails for such a long time, and I don't know why I never started taking a supplement to kind of support my nail growth and strength, but I just never did, and I just kind of suffered in silence with my weak, pathetic nails. But I started taking this. It's just biotin, basically. It's 5,000 milligrams in a capsule. You take 1 a day with your food. I take my probiotics at the same time. If you guys, by the way, want to see a video on the supplements that I take, then let me know down in the comments below, or maybe I could do a blog post over on my blog, let me know. But yeah, I've been absolutely loving this. I've really noticed a difference in my nails. They're still not like super duper like long. They're still kind of short, but I do tend to like keep them short anyway. I find it more practical. But the like general strength of them has been so much better. I stopped doing gels a while ago because my nails were just really thin and kind of not feeling great. But I've really been enjoying this. I will keep you guys posted on how it works, but I've been taking this for about a month now, so I just wanted to kind of give you a little update on it basically, and so far, so good. I haven't found like this gives me a stomachache or anything, because sometimes supplements can do that. This seems to be doing a really good job, so I'm going to continue taking it and I will keep you guys posted. Then my final favourite is this. I don't know why I've been late to the swirl bottle game, but I got this around a month ago and I got it in this fun kind of rainbow unicorn-esque print, and I have been loving it. I don't know why I didn't really ever get a swirl bottle. I maybe thought I wasn't going to use it, but I literally use this all day, every day, when I'm working from home, when I'm out and about, in the car. It's just so good because it keeps your water icy cold. Oh, and it's great. It's metal, so it's not like, it's kind of an excuse for me not to buy a bottle of water. When I'm out and about, we have like a water filter in the house, so I just refill this constantly, or if I'm out somewhere, I'm like, oh, can I just refill my bottle rather than wasting yet another plastic cup. And yeah, it's been great. So I wanted to give it a mention because I've been trying to be better about, you know, plastic waste and all that stuff, but then also it's cute and it's stylish and I take it everywhere. And that is it, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this monthly favourites. Hope you all had amazing Julys and you're excited for August. I am travelling a ton this month, so be expecting some travel vlogs and some packing videos. Let me know in the comments what type of thing you would like to see. I am going a lot of places in Europe in this month, and it's going to be a very, very busy time, so I'm going to be filming a lot of content ahead of time. So let me know what you want to see and I'll be sure to make that happen. And I hope you're all having the bestest day ever. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!